early with P90X. I'm at the gym as if I'm about to do a lot of reps. I see a couple of girls staring like they're so impressed. Must know I'm about to lift a
billion on the bench press.
I take my time and stretch, no unnecessary cramps. These two are looking, watching, waiting for the perfect chance. They wanna ask me for a picture, they're my biggest fans. Or so they think, secretly I've been stalking them. Time passes slowly, hours later, it's 3:33. I'm headed up to Mickey D's, you're coning with me. That value menu is the bomb. I'm about to go bottoms up with my
ice cream.
The lady at the window smiles when she looks at me. She got the fragrance of a Big Mac with no cheese. Hands me the cone like, here you go, sweet pea. She didn't know which window I'd been underneath. Now you might listen to my song and think it's all pretend, while you've been giggling and tweeting this to all your friends. You think it's over, but this game's about to begin. What you don't realize is, I just started a new trend. Planking was last week, this about to be what's next. I'm taking pictures of my victims when they least expect. You do a creepy face, leave the scene without a trace. Upload your picture to space.
Stalking all over the place.
Yo, I'm in space right now in my spaceship. Of course I'm in the spaceship in space, but I'm stalking you from space, cause I rep space. Official Jaden, I rep space. I do the stalker also. It's better than planking. It's better than coning. And it's better than whatever you're gonna come up with. It just is amazing. You better stalk my song on iTunes. And follow me on Twitter at Little C Beatles. Swag, 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 swag.